Hello, today we will guide you through how to unsync Gmail accounts. If you want to disconnect a Gmail account from an app or service that has been linked to it, this process is done through your Google account settings. It's a useful step if you no longer use a connected app, if you want to improve account privacy, or if you simply want more control over what can access your Gmail-related data. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you are in your inbox. Once you're there, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings area. This is where you can access account-related options and controls. From that menu, select Manage Your Google account. This will open the main account dashboard, where Google groups together your privacy, security, and connection settings in one place. Next, click on Security and Sign In. This section is important because it includes the tools for managing how your Google account connects to other apps and services. If you do not see the linked apps right away, scroll down through the page until you find the area that shows apps connected to Gmail or to your Google account. When you find that section, click See All Linked Apps. This opens a more complete list of apps and services that currently have some level of access to your account. Take a moment here to review the list carefully so you remove the correct connection. After that, click on the app you want to unsync. In this example, the app shown is a sample app, but on your screen it may be a different name depending on what you have connected. Opening the app details will let you see the available actions for removing access. Now click Delete All. This option removes the app's connection and revokes its access from your Google account. Keep in mind that once access is removed, the app may stop syncing information or may require permission again if you decide to use it later. Finally, click Confirm to complete the removal. This last confirmation step makes sure the unlinking action is intentional and helps prevent accidental changes. Once confirmed, the app will no longer be synced with your Gmail account through that connection. If you manage multiple linked apps, you can repeat the same process for any others you want to disconnect. As a good habit, it's worth checking this section from time to time to keep your account secure and up to date.